In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable two-factor authentication on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this guide useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Enabling 2FA on your Nintendo Switch adds an extra layer of security, protecting your account from unauthorized access. It helps prevent potential hacking or misuse of your account and personal data. To set up two-step verification on your Nintendo account, start by opening your preferred web browser, like Google Chrome, and navigating to the Nintendo Switch Online login page. Once there, sign in using your account credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account page. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a menu panel. From this panel, select the option for privacy and other settings. Within this section, locate and proceed to the Sign-in and Security Settings page. As you scroll down, you will find the two-step verification option near the bottom. Next to it, you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to proceed. This will take you to the two-step verification settings page, where you need to click on the red two-step verification setup button. At this point, the system will prompt you to re-enter your password. Once you have done so, click OK to continue. The page will display the email address linked to your account. Confirm it by clicking the Submit button. Shortly after, you will receive a verification code in your email inbox. Retrieve this code, enter it in the provided field on the page, and submit it. With this step completed, you are ready to move on to the next phase. Now, download and install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and set it up by either scanning the QR code displayed on the Nintendo page or entering the 6-digit code provided manually. Once the app generates a unique verification code, copy it and paste it into the respective field on the Settings page. Then, click Submit to finalize this part of the process. Once confirmed, your two-step verification will be activated. The Settings page will display backup codes for additional security. Be sure to copy and save these codes in a secure location. Then check the box confirming you've done so. To complete the setup, click OK. You can verify the completion of the setup by revisiting the Settings and Privacy page, where a confirmation message with a tick mark will indicate that your two-step verification is successfully enabled. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.